Understanding behavior, nature, and manners. Good day, everyone. This infographic is about understanding behavior, nature, and manners. First, biological factors are things inside our body that affect how we act and behave. Heredity means the traits we get from our parents. This is why some children are quiet while others are active. The brain helps us think, learn, and control our action and behavior. Hormones affect our moods and feelings. They can make children feel happy, excited, or sometimes upset. Temperament is how a child usually acts, such as being calm, shy, or energetic. For example, some pupils like to move and play a lot, while others are sensitive and may get upset easily. As a teacher, I guide pupils by being patient and understanding. I teach good manners by example, give clear rules and kind reminders. Even though children are different, everyone can learn good manners and right conduct. Thank you.